I am Joms Haboc from Philippines, and I have a consulting service. We also into digital marketing agency, but I also have a food business. So we are also into food and beverage. So I went here in PIF Capital because I wanted to learn more about raising capital because we wanted to expand our business. But of course, there's always a challenge when it comes to capital. So I'm very fortunate that I've been here for the training because this is really an eye opener for me. So there's really a better way of doing business, better way of raising capital using the equity. So it's really an eye opener for me. So aside from that, I also learned how to do structuring of the business and also do better business models. So I encourage my fellow entrepreneurs in the Philippines, my clients from consulting company, to also to learn also the science and art of capital raising. So thank you very much.